Welcome to Omnitracs Way Station Bypass, provided by Drivewyze PreClear. Drivewyze provides bypasses at fixed way stations and mobile inspection sites and is built into your in-cab device. This video will show you how to use Drivewyze. To get the most from the bypass program, you must always follow all of the in-cab signals. Drivewyze driving instructions will vary depending on how the site is integrated with Drivewyze. Let's review these screens and how Drivewyze currently works. When you are 2 miles away from a participating way station or inspection site, your device will notify you with a visual and audio alert. You will receive a second alert when you are 1 mile away. These Drivewyze sites will be indicated by a blue banner and a blue light on the screen. If you are at a site that only Drivewyze supports, you will receive a driving instruction to either bypass or pull in. The bypass screen has a green light, and the pull-in screen has a red light. In some cases, you may approach a site that is not supported by Drivewyze. At sites not participating in the Drivewyze program, you will also receive 2-mile and 1-mile notifications. These notifications will not have a blue banner or light and will include the words "Non-Drivewyze." At these non-Drivewyze sites, you will receive a driving instruction to follow road signs. At some sites, your Drivewyze driving instructions will not appear on your device screen, but instead will appear on an electronic road sign. In these cases, you will receive a 2-mile and 1-mile notification, followed by an instruction to follow road signs. Your carrier is participating in the Drivewyze Florida Agricultural Bypass Program. You may receive a Conditional Bypass instruction. This means you can bypass the agricultural site unless you're hauling a refrigerated unit, agriculture, aquaculture, or livestock. If you are ever asked by law enforcement to show your last bypass command, you can do so by clicking on the Drivewyze icon on your device's dashboard screen. For more information about the Drivewyze coverage area and on state bypass restrictions, please refer to your user guide and visit Omnitracs support.